Yo, 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 148, 3 to the 3 to the 6 to the 9, representing the ABQ. What up?
Hey y'all, Mike here. Today we're heading out to the land of Breaking Bad, to Albuquerque, New Mexico, home of Twisters, the real-life location of the fictional Los Pollos Hermanos. Though the show presents it as a chicken restaurant, it's actually a burger and burrito joint. And though it's been over a decade since the finale, its fandom lives on, and there's even an RV tour and everything.
This ain't chemistry, okay? This is art.
Oh.
Cooking is art. This is my own private domicile and I will not be harassed!